For some people, the recent downtime raised questions. For others, it reinforced something they've believed all along. Today, the wait is over. Bytnex is back online, and while some may only see a website loading again, others see something much bigger, a project that has continued moving forward for nearly a decade. 10 years. Many projects never survive their first year. Others launch with excitement only to disappear months later. Yet Bytnex has continued evolving through changing markets, new technologies, and a growing global community. That's persistence. Technology requires maintenance. Systems receive updates. Security protocols evolve. Infrastructure improves. Downtime can be inconvenient, but protecting a platform is often more important than rushing everything back online. Safety and security have always mattered. Strong systems aren't built by taking shortcuts. They're built through preparation, improvements, testing, and a commitment to protecting the integrity of the platform for the long term. Throughout these 10 years, there have always been two groups, the doubters and the believers. The doubters question every update, every delay, and every challenge. The believers focus on the bigger picture, understanding that long-term projects are measured in years, not days. Whether someone believes in Bytnex or not is a personal decision. Everyone should do their own research, ask questions, and make informed choices. But one thing is clear: the conversation isn't over. In many ways, it's only getting started. For longtime members, today's return marks another milestone. For newcomers, this may be your first look at a project with nearly 10 years of history. More conversations will happen. More questions will be asked. More people will decide for themselves what they think. Technology continues to move forward, and so does every community willing to grow alongside it. Whether you followed this journey for years or today is your first visit, welcome. The journey isn't over. For some, it's just beginning.
Hasta la vista, baby.